whole entire world.
Hello, hola, and bonjour. Welcome to STEM Lab. I'm Jocelynne.
I'm Junior.
And I'm Josiane.
So today we're going to do a little quick experiment. It's called magic milk or magic milk, whatever you want to call it.
Yep. So this is a really quick experiment that you can try at home using simple kitchen supplies. So basically, the first thing you need is milk, dish soap, food coloring,
A plate.
and a plate.
That's about
Oh, and also
it.
a cotton.
Okay. I never knew the name.
So we're gonna put on our gloves.
Yep. So basically, the first thing you want to do is grab our.
Oh, we each have our own thing for once.
You don't put it like on the whole plate.
Just enough to fill the inner circle.
Yeah. Okay. So, dear, what's the next thing?
So if you want, you can add food coloring to actually you have to add food coloring to make the design.
Yeah. So we're going to add like one color in the middle. Then we're going to add two.
So what's your color, Jocelyn? What's your two colors or whatever colors?
I'm gonna start with my favorite color, blue. Start with that.
My favorite color is not here, so I'm just gonna take red. It's closest to pink.
I'm gonna take blue because we have a lot of history.
I
always say that every video.
You say that every video.
I say
Like
that
almost every video.
Blue gets on my hands.
Oh my goodness! Okay, now it's time for the magic. Have you added yours yet?
No.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, yes you did.
I'm gonna put
Trying to get some excuses for some more food coloring.
Okay, now we're going to get our Q-tip. I already have three. Put yours there.
I want mine to look perfect, but it looks horrendous.
Ooh, oh.
Jeez.
Okay, and now time for the magic.
Do you put it inside, like dip it?
Yeah, we dip our little cotton ball thing stick.
Like
and,
not like fully in. Like
well, you want to
maybe
dip
like
as much as you
half full?
can. And now, my favorite part, is we're going to dip
We're all
in.
gonna do this at the same
Oh my goodness. Hopefully it doesn't fall down by accident.
I think it's going to do nothing, and we're going to be like, oh, well, that's it for the video, guys.
Okay.
Well, we still have to do
So
it.
are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay,
I'm
So
ready.
you did it straight in the middle?
Yeah, it's straight in the middle.
All right, three.
Like-
Hey,
3. Oh my,
I did it. I'm going to do it straight in the middle.
Oh, okay, come on, Jocelyn, let's do this quick. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
No, that is so cool.
That's so cool.
I mean, mine doesn't make too much of a design because,
It
like,
even makes pink. Pink.
Whoa, look at it spinning around. Kind of.
Oh.
I know we're having a lot of fun here in the work. We're having a bunch of fun drawing, but how does really the milk work? Like, how does the magic art milk work? Like, this is crazy.
Okay, so
Jocelyn, how does it work?
basically there's a reaction between the dish soap and the fat in the milk, and when you mix it together, it creates sort of this movement.
Whoa, that's so cool. I never knew that before.
Well, now you know, Junior.
Well, now this is it. We're just gonna keep on doing some designs.
Yeah, you guys want to see our designs. We're going to look at the end product.
Yep.
My flowers turned out so weird.
Who would have thought that Josiane's would be the best out of all of ours?
A 7-year-old drawing.
Hello, hola, and bonjour. I'm Josiane, I'm 7 years old. I'm the best artist out there. I think we found Josiane's new title job. Job title. I think we found Josiane's new job title.
Yep. And you could drink
a 7-year-old artist.
And you could actually drink this, but don't drink it.
Yeah, you can
because
put
there's
food
no
coloring
soap.
inside your milk and just do.
Yeah, you guys. If you guys didn't put the soap after, if you guys just put food coloring in there, you could drink this.
Yeah,
soap.
you could actually drink this, but if we put the soap in, you can't drink.
Yeah.
Sorry, we can't drink.
So keep this away from little children because they could attempt to drink it.
Yeah.
Because when you're a baby, you really like to drink milk.
And always have
From
parents
out of your bottle.
and always have parent supervision, like we have here now.
Yeah, you guys might not see them, but we have parent supervision in every one of our experiments. So yeah, just if you guys
Clear.
if you guys are little and you guys want to do the experiment, you always, no matter what, you guys have to have parent
Call
supervision.
your parents.
I repeat,
Call your parents.
I don't know what this video is, but make sure to stay tuned to the end to get a real explanation on how this sudden change is happening to the milk. Because there is a chemical reaction, I'm pretty sure. Because as Jocelyn said, there was a chemical reaction between the milk and the dish soap.
Drip.
This was a pretty cool experiment to do. I think this is going to be the end of the video now because
Yeah.
we've done a lot. So
done a lot
yeah,
so
Josiane's having fun with her black paint.
Yep.
My black paint.
And mine just looks like sauce with blue something.
I'm just making
Anyways, guys,
brown.
so this will probably be the end. Make sure to like,
Subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you can never miss an episode.
What she said.
She said.
Yep, and make sure to click on the links down below.
Also, share the video with
To
your
all
friends.
your friends.
Like literally, just individually message them of our video. Like just go, hey, check out this video. Make a long paragraph for each of our videos whenever you share them. Because make a long, meaningful paragraph by the bottom of your heart. Share the video.
Okay, well, that's it. Bye, everybody.
Bye, Zombie.
Bye, Zombie.